I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your goove LED lights, and this will work for any goove product that you have that has RGB LED lights or whatever LED light product you have from goove. I'm going to be showing you how you can set it up with either your Amazon Alexa, or this will also work for your Google Home. But we're going to be using this iOS iPhone to set up my goove RGB LED TV backlight. So now what you want to do is grab your device you want to use, and you want to download the app called goove Home. And once you install the app goove Home, what you want to do is open up the app. And then right here, what you're going to be seeing is you're going to be seeing that you're going to be in the home tab right here. When you open it up, you're going to be in the home tab, and there's no devices connected. So you want to click on where it says devices at the top right here, and then you're going to be seeing that it's going to be saying all, and then it says right here, welcome to goove Home. No devices found. Click the plus icon to connect it right here. So I'm going to be pressing the plus icon, and then right here it says that you need to have Bluetooth so that it can authorize and select which device you want to connect. Right here it says authorizing Bluetooth will actively search for nearby devices for you. So if you have your Bluetooth on, then it's going to be searching for your device. But if you do not have the Bluetooth connected, you can search for your device manually right here in the search bar right here. So let's turn on the Bluetooth, and now what we're going to be seeing is that my device is going to be connecting right here because it's now searched with Bluetooth. So click on add, and then it's going to be wanting us to press the power button so that it can sync up with the goove Home app on my iOS device. So now let's head over to the remote for the LED light, and then you're going to be seeing that it did not connect. So what we need to do is we need to repeat the step again like this. Let's head over to the remote for the LED light. Now that we're at the remote for the LED light, what you want to do is on the app for the goove Home app, you want to click on add right here. Then it's going to be adding your device, and then it wants you to press the power button for your remote right here that you have. So let's press the power button right now. Now that we have pressed the power button, it's going to be saying name your device. You can just leave it as default, or you can change the name right here. So I'm going to be keeping it at default, so click on done. Then right here, it's going to be asking you for your Wi-Fi information. If you do not use the Wi-Fi, then you're not going to be able to control your LED light using your goove Home app. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi connection set up for your LED light right here. If you do not use the goove Home app, then you're going to have to use the remote manually to turn on and power on your LED lights using the remote that it comes with. So now what you want to do is once you've set up your Wi-Fi setting, click on done, and then it's going to be connecting your Wi-Fi with your LED lights. Then it says Wi-Fi connecting successfully. So now what you want to do is we're going to be showing you the features that the app has when your LED lights are connected. Now, some of the features that you see is going to be saying that the device is off. So what you want to do is you want to see more features. You want to power on your LED light, and then you're going to be seeing that you get more features right here. Then right here you see that you have effects lab, which that means that you can have the effects for whatever you want right here. You have all these effects right here. You see all these effects that you can use for your LED light, and here are all the colors that you can choose depending on the LED light feature that you choose right here. So now what you want to do is you want to head back, and then what you're going to be seeing is you have the timer right here. You have timer, so you can set up the timer so when you want it to turn off and on. Now right here what you have is you have right here that it says auto play right here. You can toggle autoplay like this, and then it says the list has started to autoplay automatically. That's because I have a setting already made right here. So right here you want to see is press on where it says autoplay, and then you're going to be seeing this little icon. Click on that, and then you see autoplay. So if you want to add a category, you can press on the plus icon, and then right here what you're going to be seeing is you can name your category for the list right here. I'm going to be naming it testing. Then click on confirm, and now you can add an image from your gallery, but I'm not going to be doing that. And then the play settings, which means how you're going to be playing your LED light or how it's going to be playing right here. So click on it, and then you're going to be seeing that you have random, random plus pause, then you have random plus off, and all these more. But I'm going to be leaving it, I'm going to be leaving it at random plus with the random again, and then right here you have the lighting effect. Click on lighting effect, and here are all the effects that you can choose right here. You see all the effects that you have, you can choose right here for natural, festival, life, emotion, and then you have right here you have dance, movie, and much more effects that you can choose. Now I'm going to be choosing fire A right here. I'm going to be choosing fire A. Now what you want to do is once you selected one, you want to click on the check mark, and then click on the check mark again, and then right here it says please add lighting effect, so you want to redo it again, and I'm going to be seeing then fire. Now what you're going to be seeing is you're going to be seeing that it's now added, and you can add 1 out of 20. You can add 20 of these effects right here, but I'm going to be leaving it, and make sure you press the plus icon to set up your scene that you want right here. So I'm going to be clicking the check mark again. Then right here you see you have two scenes, but for me I have two scenes, so I'm going to be disabling autoplay 1, and then I'm going to be doing testing. And now what you want to do is you want to head back, and then you have the Snapchat list, and here is where you have the brightness of how high you want it. So I'm going to be keeping it at full blast. Then you have again the mode right here. You have the mode that you can choose right here. You have all these modes that you can choose for your LED light right here. But since we already chose what mode we want, then you do not have to choose this again. But if you want to change it, click on the pencil icon, and then you're going to be seeing that you can edit your scene right here that you have. So I'm going to be heading back right here. And now what you want to do is you want to power on your LED light right here. You want to power it on by pressing the power button. And now, right now, you see that the LED light is off because no information is going to be showing for your LED light right here. So now we're going to be powering on the LED light right now. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be powering on the LED light right here by pressing the power button on the app right here. We're going to be pressing the power button next to where it says RGB TV backlit, and then you're going to be seeing the power button right here. So press the power button, and now this is what it looks like when we are using the light right here. I'm going to be turning off the light to show you what it looks like when it is on at night right here. I'm going to be turning off the lights, so let me show you what it looks like right now. Now, this is what it looks like when the LED lights are on my TV. You see, this is what it looks like when the LED lights are on and connected using the goove Home app on my iOS device or whatever device you are using, like the Google Home or the Amazon Alexa. So please like, comment, and follow me, and subscribe for more videos like these ones on how you can connect your goove LED lights using the goove Home app. So please like, comment, and follow me for more videos like these ones on how you can connect your LED lights with whatever LED light from goove that you have.